Hi, welcome to Quinn's RC for a quick Limitless update. I did have an unboxing or unpackaging of these fans, but I realized just a few minutes ago that all I did was take a picture of my workspace and then talk to absolutely nobody for about 5 minutes. So I'm redoing that and I won't be unboxing them. I've got the center diff that's actually for an infraction that I'm putting in my Limitless because I'm going to be running it on road. Something that's interesting that I learned is these aluminum diff cups have a different configuration inside. So when I first took apart the original diff that I ordered that is composite, I thought I couldn't use these, put the 200K diff fluid in there, buttoned it up, and then on YouTube saw later that you can use these. You just leave out these little blocks, which actually allows the walls of this diff cup to be thicker than the composite case. So it's metal and thicker. So I'm hoping that's gonna work out great. I have had this sitting for 2 days after it was done. Checked the screws, which I had Loctite on them, and I tightened them up by hand, and when I got here today after a couple days they were loose again, so I tightened those up. Not sure what's going on there. Maybe I had some diff oil on the screw and it backed out. Not sure. We'll see if it stays. Everything is a learning process. My Limitless came with a 1250 kV motor and the 160 amp ESC from Spectrum, which people have told me is not exactly the best system for on-road racing in a Limitless. It's been hot, so I ordered these new 50mm fans. I have the standard 50mm Arma fan on there, but from what I can tell, it only does up to 6 volts. The 160 amp ESC from Spectrum does allow you to go to 8.4 volts, which these say they support. So I'm hoping to bump up the ESC BEC to 8.4 volts so I can run these and have them cool a little better. Plus they're red and black. It's gonna look so sick with these other bits. I also have Power Hobby 729 MBL servo I'm going to be putting in because it supports 8.4 volts. The Savox that I have in the Limitless came with, does not support 8.4 volts. So those are the next steps for me and the Limitless. I got these on eBay. They were a lot cheaper to buy too, and I do have this fantasy of getting a Fire Team or maybe a Creighton V5, which just happened to be on sale now for like $475, and taking the 2050 kV out of there, putting it in a Limitless, then taking my 1250 and running 8S in either the Fire Team, which is 750 now, or the Creighton V5, which is 475 like I said. So I'll have a fan for whichever one I get. That should be an exciting project as well. So there you have it. Quick update. I'm slowly getting things put together, but I just thought I would have a shout out today because I haven't put out a video in quite a while. Like, subscribe, hit that bell. I'm going to get better at this, and you're going to see some really cool stuff coming down the line. Thanks for joining me. Until next time.